A 2,000-year-old sarcophagus that's been unearthed in northern Egypt has got so many of you talking because scientists just don't know what's inside it. Let's take a look at the sarcophagus that's been uncovered. So this is it here, and it's around 3 meters in length and 2 meters wide. And as we say, scientists don't know what's inside it. And there's so many of you talking about on social media asking who it belongs to and should we be opening it? Well, next to the sarcophagus, there was found an alabaster head of a man, and this alabaster bust is believed to belong to the person who owns this tomb. But who is that person? Well, there's been so much speculation, as we say, so we should tell you what exactly we do know about the tomb. So it actually dates back, like the Egyptian Ministry for Antiquities dates the tomb back to around 300 BC. And the tomb was found in Alexandria in Egypt, which is in northern Egypt. And it's believed to be the largest tomb, the largest sarcophagus that has been found in Alexandria. It's important to say the sarcophagus is not believed to have been opened, which is interesting because it's very common for researchers to find these sarcophaguses or to make these discoveries and find that looters have already reached them first. And as we said earlier, the alabaster head is also believed to belong to the owner of the tomb, but we still are yet to find out who that person is. And as we say, so many of you on social media have been talking about this story. So many of you are questioning who it is, what's inside, and whether we should actually be opening it. Well, this person here is quite impatient, and he says that he cannot wait for us to open the sarcophagus, and he needs to know what's inside, and he doesn't care if there's a curse, a black plague, Pandora's box, or a mummy. He just needs to know. Other people are throwing back to popular movies and saying that if there's anything we've learned from the last 100 years of mummy movies is that we should not be opening that sarcophagus just in case there's a curse. But some people in the similar respect say, again, what have we learned from these movies? What is the worst that could happen? Some people, on the other hand, are being a little bit more rational and being a little bit more cynical about this. And this man is saying, Mike Madden on Twitter says that he may be dooming himself to be the first victim of a curse that may emerge from this sarcophagus, but he doesn't buy into that idea, and he doesn't think there's anything inside other than just a really old mummy, and he thinks that we should definitely therefore open it. But what do you think? Should we be opening this sarcophagus, and what do you think is inside? Let us know your thoughts. #TheCube.